Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, select clock by tapping on it. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon at the kind of top right one of this menu over here. Then you need to set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then tap on alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to. Following that, you need to click on the switches next to alarm sound, vibrations, and snooze to disable or enable those features. Then click on vibrations and select one of those vibration patterns for your alarm by tapping on the best one for you, like heartbeat, and going back. Then click on snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back. Tap on alarm sound over here and adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. You can also click on ringtone over here, choose allow, and pick one of those melodies as the alarm sound. Then go back. But you can also select ringtone and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then pick music from your device and choose them at the top right corner as well. Now you can also enable or disable those features by tapping on the switches next to them, and when you're ready, go back into the main screen over here. Then choose save, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also hold it and delete it by tapping on this delete icon over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!